Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to fix the mic is not working in your OBS studio. So how to troubleshoot this issue? First of all, open the control panel. I will show you step by step, so stay with us. Go to view by and select here the large icons. I have already selected here. Once you select that, click on sound option. And you can follow these steps in Windows 7, 8 and 11 as well. So first go to speaker and then go to its properties, then go to labels. Make sure it is not muted like this. First uncheck this option, click on OK, and after that go to recordings, and here we go, we can find the mic here. If you are getting multiple mics here, you might be getting the confused which is the my microphone. So first try the microphone array like Realtek high definition audio, Realtek high definition audio. This should be the your input, like the laptop input or the system input. So first of all select that option and go to its properties, go to labels and make sure it is not muted. If it is muted like this, you need to uncheck this option, like unmute this from here, and you can also boost its label from here. And you can set it as default here also. So let me close this, and now we need to make sure we can also test it in on Google Chrome. Like go to Google Chrome and on the search bar type here mic test and click on mic test, and it will automatically detect your mic. You can see mic was detected. Make sure you are getting this option. Then in the input click on test and allow this application to allow the mic, but input is wrong here in my case. Let me again try it. Okay, I'm going back here, and make sure you are choosing here the correct microphone, or you can also choose from the drop down. Now it should be my mic, but two mics are working together here, like my recordings and other. So that's why audio is not available due to technical issues, but it should be showing up and down. It means that your microphone is working fine, no issue with your microphone. You can choose from the drop down menu. You can see here there are more options, and choose one by one, and if it is working, that's fine. Otherwise we have another method to fix this issue. So this is due to the two mics working. Let me close this and go to search bar. We need to make sure it's accessible. Type here privacy setting, click on that. Once you click on that, on the left hand side you need to look for microphone. Let me scroll up. This is the microphone, and make sure it is allowed like this. If it is not allowed, you should turn it on. In my case, you should see the setting here, and all the applications should be turned on basically which you are using. Once done, close this and go to device manager to update its driver. Once the device manager open, go to audio inputs and outputs. Expand this from side, right click on the microphone and simply update it. Make sure you are connected with the network first, and then click on search automatically. This will automatically resolve your issue and update driver. If not, right click update, browse Let me pick from a list of available driver. Choose the latest one from here, click on next and install the microphone driver. Also you can update the speaker icon here, speaker driver here. Once done, restart your system, it should fix your issue. If not, we can check for update here and make sure you are choosing the latest Windows. If the window is outdated, you are also getting this error due to the old version of Windows. So check for update and update the Windows. Once it is done, just restart your system and it should fix your issue. You can also choose the OBS setting here. Let me open the OBS. Now from here you need to go to setting. And you can also check here the mic audio mixer. Make sure mic is not muted from here as well. And set is as default. I have already selected as default. So you can see the my microphone is getting here. So no issue with my microphone in my case, you can see here. But you need to make sure that the microphone is selecting here. Once you are done with this setting, you just need to apply an OK and it should fix your issue. If still not fixed, you can uninstall the OBS and then reinstall it. It will take the fresh setting after that and click on OK, and once it is done, it should fix your issue. So hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.